at 8 o'clock we have this beautiful dishes cooking in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. Well, tonight at 8 o'clock I'm going to be live one more time on Sky TV or Bentv.com. Sky182 or Bentv.com tonight live at 8 o'clock. Look at Chef Ricardo in the kitchen one more time again. We're going to give you that really nice, lovely, smooth recipe tonight. Make you guys happy and feel welcome. Caribbean Gateway is your way, my way, and everybody's way. We love Caribbean Gateway, and on Caribbean Gateway we always get this lovely recipe. So guys, enjoy the recipe that which is coming out every Wednesday at 8 o'clock. It's a nice program, everyone talking about the program, really interested. And as I said, if you have anything which you like to be advertised on the Caribbean Gateway, don't afraid to get contact with Chef Ricardo. You can look at my website at chefricardo.co.uk, and also on my YouTube channel there's an email address which you can also email me at chefricardo@hotmail.co.uk. Well, any info, if you have a little small business, or if you have a big business, whatever what you're doing, anything what you're doing, and you want to get it established, you want to get it big, you want to reach out to a broader, wider population of people, Bentv or Sky TV is here for you to help you guys. Anything you want to do, don't fret. Get in touch with Chef Ricardo. Go on my website at chefricardo.co.uk and sign up. And also, you can advertise yourself on the website. You can advertise yourself on Bentv or Sky182. My number is on my website. All of my information. Get in touch with Chef Ricardo, and we'll advertise the business for you guys. Thank you very much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program every Wednesday at 8 o'clock in the kitchen on Sky.